Yeah.
It's wet.
We made it.
Ooh, wet right now. She didn't get it.
Dang.
Alright, I got it.
It actually doesn't smell too bad in here.
It's not as, this is the small tunnel, Chester. Look.
Tons of people in here right now.
I don't think there is.
Oh,
Here, Miles. Take out your phone, idiot.
My phone's in my bag.
Take it out, idiot. No, it's not worth it.
Just why are you telling me to take it out then? I can't see crap.
Okay, here. Hey, don't probably.
Don't see the emerald, please. Thanks.
Oh, I'm really sorry, guys. Oh, I stepped in water.
I can't see crap. Alright.
Yes, you can. You can see everything. You're just deciding not to right now.
The flashlight.
We're in the tunnels of Minneapolis. You don't have a girlfriend. It's not worth waiting for them. Miles. It's not worth waiting for them.
Stop talking.
How long does this go in? Like half a mile.
Oh my gosh. I don't want to walk half a mile of this.
Miles, yes, just come. Huh? The rumble. No, there's like this waterfall at the end. We're getting back into the narrow.
Where is the Hooters located?
Knowledge is power.
We are deep inside.
Okay guys, listen to the waterfall. Alright, we reached the end. See, look, it's one of those weird, like, drop-offs. You made it. You made it.
Peanut?
Yeah.
Peanut?
Okay, here, I'll lead the way again. Alright, here. Go. I'm gonna get a little snap story. Turn it on.
Nah, it's better this way. What? You gotta adapt, man.
Okay.
Don't tag me, okay?
Shut up.
I will. I can tag you. You gotta be careful. No, actually, like, don't. Like,
Okay.
He'll go on your tag.
Give him your phone. My foot's so freaking wet. Shoot. I almost fell. Here you go.
I'll sit down.
Alright, taking an Insta. Alright, we got the Insta and we're going out now. I'm gonna stop filming because we're almost out of space. So we got out, some shots with the drone, then we're going in.
I think we're recording. Oh, how am I supposed to get through here now? Hey. Yeah, but I got stuff to carry, my dude.
Alright, here, I got you.
Dog, carry me through.
Yeah, I know, right? If you walk along the edge, this. Yeah.
Dude. Here, go ahead of me. I'm gonna get soaked.
Right, yeah.
Here, I'll film you as long as I can. Chester is making progress along the walk of death. Oh, this is good footage. He is now entering the sunken place. Hey man, I can't go over there. I'm gonna take my socks off. It can't be anything too bad. How was the boys? Pretty good. You're gonna get soaked. Eric, take the camera. I cannot.
Yeah, I know. I'm walking through like an inch and a half of water. Okay, we got some steps up. Go, go, go! I slipped in here once. How you feeling, Chester? Same, I got like 75%. Stop! Look how tall it is. I don't know if we can see. I don't know if we can even see the roof.
It's podcast, guys.
Oh, jeez. No. No.
Why not?
Hello?
No. There's nothing in there.
No, I heard a voice.
Here, let's get up. Let's freaking
Shh.
There's no one.
Shh. Big?
See?
Oh, yeah.
Let's keep calling the main one.
Chester dies, I'm gonna commit suicide.
Yeah, that's our echo.
It is the breath.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off because we're running out of film and we're not getting anywhere. All right, we found another tunnel. We're debating whether we should follow the main one. Or,
I don't see anything. Oh, actually, yeah.
I think it just ends. Elizabeth Storm?
There's footprints up here. I hope I don't die.
I'm gonna go with him. Okay, Miles, be safe. I'm like legitimately saying that. Okay, now I have to go.
It's kind of like Waterfall. It's the same kind of thing. Oh, whoa, hey. It's the same kind of thing, Eric.
Oh, we made it back to another like end. Okay, let's go back.
Is this what the underground railroad people felt like?
All right, we've probably been going for over a mile now.
This is a nice stick figure.
Just the thing keeps getting smaller.
Hey, know your
Oh, wait.
Whoa. When we
I warned you. Shh. I warned you to be careful of the rocks underfoot. We're wet and molded to the.
and molded to the caresses of the sea. I grew up by the ocean. I would never slip, he replied with a grin. I watched you that day, and like the stones we stood on, you seemed to be shared by tides, shaped by tides. I wanted to know your shape as the sea moved shore. When we were together, I traced your curves with my fingertips. I wanted to memorize them in my skin, like the song Chopsticks I learned in second grade. And in my memory, I can still recall every bit of you. The day I forgot MD is the day
You.
slip on wet rocks.
The day I forget is the day you. The day I forget is the
Wow,
day
he's
you.
a medic, dude.
Is the day you slip on the rocks.
Look, he's a medical doctor.
How do you know?
It says MD.
It could be multiple.
Alright.
Kind of a sad story though.
Nah.
Oh. All right, I'm gonna sign out again. It's getting It's getting really cold.
There's kind of a machete here.
Oh, guys, I thought he was a person. I'm so freaking scared. I think I had a heart attack. Oh, okay. We saw a big rat.
Oh, I don't know, I just saw something move. I'm like,
I'm gonna cry. Miles, is my drone still on? Oh my Lord.
My heart's racing. My clock started slipping.
I just saw them start moving.
Someone's moving back there.
I don't know if that was a rat, that was a big rat.
What? Was it alive? Are you sure it was
Yeah, it was
alive?
moving.
It could have, or a raccoon or something.
Possum, raccoon, or what's that other thing? Muskrat.
Yeah.
Guys, we should like. I'm hustling back.
It's just, what's it gonna do to us?
That's scary.
That's a scary part.
Guys, watch behind us every couple.
Guys, it's just a rat, it's not gonna like
Well, I mean, you're the one that screamed bloody murder. You didn't say what it was. You just started running like.
So Chester saw something and he didn't tell us what it was. And he just told us to run. And we bolted as fast as we could. Turns out scary.
Guys, we could have got further.
Hey, stop.
It was just like a rat.
Yeah, but you screamed and said run.
I don't know, I just saw something move.
Okay, my ankle hurts. I'm going to the side.
Yeah, it's involuntary. What if it attacked one of us? Like, it just bit us and then we got rabies or something?
My Crocs are my vulnerable spot.
Chester, when you saw it, what were you thinking?
Yeah.
I just thought, run.
Okay, I'm not gonna until we get closer back. All right, well, we made it all the way back to like the opening area. If you can hear that water, that's right by the opening. Gotta come down these steps. I'm gone. So. I almost fell in. What? I don't freaking know. My feet just got super soaked. All right, well. Ah. Okay, we're out of that.
Are you okay, Miles?
Oh my gosh.
What happened?
No, I was just scared. It's just
Yeah, that was
rough.
that was the scariest thing.
I know that.
Just so scared. No, you scared me so bad when you were in there.
What?
You scared me so bad when you were in there.
When you ran, he's talking about. Get down. Oh my god.
I slipped. Is the drone still on? Coming down?
Nah, I'm going up. Also, there's a boot. How scared are you on a scale of 1 to like 9.5?
0.
I'm at peace with nature.
Where's the fire?
Chester makes me feel safer, or
I would have kept going in that tunnel. If we come back there and we see a rat, I'll just shit.
Let's bring like a stick in. If we had like sticks, just I wouldn't.
Dude, it's just like a rat. What's he gonna do?
Yeah.
It's like a mineral shower. Potassium chloride. That's what they're putting lethal injections to stop chloride. Alright, we going home? Where do you want to go? Minnehaha.